about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Right, we're already there. You turn around and face me. So, right,
hello.
So, right.
We're at Daytona Beach for Daytona Bike Week.
Are we actually at the beach, Sarah?
Okay, we're not at Daytona Beach, we're
Right,
staying.
start again.
We're technically the class is Daytona Beach.
Right.
We're at the International Speedway
Right.
currently for Daytona Bike Week.
Right, okay.
So
where are we heading?
We're heading over into the Speedway area because there's loads of vendors and
Shiny stuff.
Shiny stuff, basically.
Shiny stuff that I could buy.
Or not.
Boo!
So yeah, that's where we are.
Cool.
Since we were last down this neck of the woods back in 2013, all this area feels quite new to us. We can't really remember there being so much parking and shops, and I mean there's a few things that I think that have been there quite some time, but definitely a lot of new stuff. So a lot of free parking over there, a lot of shopping. You've got the Bass Pro, you've got Best Buy, loads of restaurants and things over there as well, some hotels. So yeah, it was really easy to get to, really straight route from Orlando, about an hour and 10-15 minutes in total. The roads were quite busy, but we're now here and it's bike central, bikes everywhere as you can probably hear. And I've already spotted a huge Harley Davidson lorry in the parking lot, so that makes me happy. And we saw a few other interesting looking trailers that we're going to go and check out hopefully once we get over to the Speedway itself. We've just been to the Welcome Centre, picked up a wee free poster and a couple of maps. You can do a like treasure hunt thing, go down to different vendors and getting stamps, but we're not really going to bother too much about that. It's just to get a commemorative coin, but I think just being here is enough.
So here comes my next investment. Oh, there's a big shiny truck. I need to invest in one of these, like. Speedway, Thunder Alley.
Yeah. Huge Harley.
Looks like it's getting set up for a stage. Yeah, that'll look good in my driveway.
So that's our house.
Yeah, I actually think I would actually take that over my house and just drive all over. There you go. There's a picture for you. HD technology, reflex defensive rider system. I'm curious.
How cool is this? Like, what the hell? Davidson. That's so cool. For a Harley lover, this place is heaven. You've got one, something.
I wonder if any of these are for sale. They're my ones, Sarah. Yeah, shake your head, yes or no.
That was a nod. How beautiful is the paint job on that bike?
It's only a 427.
It's only a 4, but
Need the bathroom. Treat it like you're coming to a festival and bring wet ones. Oh, hi! Treat it like you're going to a festival, bring some wet ones and some tissue and you'll be sorted.
in Florida sunshine.
Get a wipe down, Florida sunshine, use them early, try not to go again. Thank God for wet ones today anyway.
Or wear a man nappy.
Oh no, we're wearing a man nappy, if you've ever heard of them. Yeah,
It's also shiny.
it's also shiny.
You want to buy everything?
You want to buy everything.
I want everything.
However, the thing,
Give me all.
the thing that I want to buy is expensive. So they have
Well, what's
the
that?
bike.
That's lovely, isn't it? Did you have it? Nice.
So that's only one side done. So now going on to the other side. I've just spotted my love in the colour of my old bike, my first Harley, that I loved so much. And then we went to live in Saudi Arabia for a while, and I handed her back to the shop that I bought her from, never to be seen again. I don't think they've ever seen her again either, so I don't know where she went. And she was called, her colour was called Ever Red Sunglow, and it was beautiful, hence why she was called Ruby. And at that point the song Ruby 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 was out, so everybody used to shout Ruby Ruby Ruby. So I've just spotted my Softail Slim in that colour. I want it. That's okay. And here's the other side. Bikes for days. It is the biggest motorcycle event in the world though, so it's going to be bikes for days. Gareth spotted the JP Cycles lorry, which is where part of his night rod is from. So automatically he is headed in that direction to see them. So let's have a look. Wowzers. Handsome Hines, JP Cycles. Got Honda down here, Suzuki. We've got, yeah, loads. If you know my husband, you know that you never see him without a hat on,
This is something else.
like ever. across a stand that sells motorcycle helmets that look like cats, then kind of ticks the boxes. However, none of the American helmets are approved for the UK, so it would be kind of pointless buying it, but they're pretty cool. Have a little look at these. Like,
160. Oh, those not 160.
how much does that scream, Gareth? Like, maybe not the designs, but the actual helmets. ProLids.com. Mike's ProLids.com. How cool are they? Look at this bike. What the heck? How could you even ride that? That's just crazy. Come on, the lady bikers. How awesome is that? Yes! That's what you want. Stilettos on steel. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, get out their way though. Stilettos on steel. That's brilliant. Yes. That's pretty.
So we're going over here towards the speed shop. Best sign ever. All that comes up on the screen. Making Box Fly since 2008. How much money have you spent in your head here, Sarah?
I don't think I could say.
Yeah?
No, I think it would scare you. Yeah.
I'm poor. No money.
So we have just had our lunch at Four Rivers Barbecue down at One Daytona. And it was so good. I really recommend it. There's a little satellite one up at Disney Springs. I think it's called Four Rivers Cantina. And it's just like a little food truck one, but if it's anything like what we just had, it's totally worth a try. Yeah.
That's solid.
Really good. We had a salad, but it was huge, and you can pick your meat. So we had pulled pork and pulled chicken. Yeah, stuffed. Stuffed. So it's really, really nice down here. Definitely worth a little visit. Loads of free parking. You've got the Daytona Hotel, numerous different restaurants, a little bit for kids to play in water fountains. Yeah, really, really worth the look.
Yeah.
We're gonna head back to the car and head down towards the beach to see more of Bike Week now. So we've had a little break. We had a wander around all the vendors and all the different things up here. So now it's down to the main action.